block sent out an email and said, all vendors, come on, step up. And they've been stepping up. So I was just going to check with her to see, let her know that one of her cheerleaders. We don't realize all that we have and all that we are given, you know. I mean, this could happen to any of us. You know, I was homeless from 14 to 16 years old, and you know, I've had, since then, in my adult life, I've had a good life. I mean, I've always had a place to sleep, and these people have suffered such a tragedy that it's so heartbreaking. It's just, I just feel really blessed, and I just feel like I wish I could do so much more for these people. So you guys think it's best to set this up to serve? You want to do that?
I'm Steve Hoyt. I am a friend with Kristian from work, and she and I were connecting around our friend Bob Cheel, who lost his house, and we were talking about how we might be able to contribute and volunteer over here. And Kristian had set this up with the city of Santa Rosa to bring the hot dog stand over here for the employees and the victims. And so I recruited a number of guys from my neighborhood, and we came up here to help Kristian with her effort. That's how we got involved in this thing.
My name's Bob Cheel, and my wife and I lost our house sometime in the early morning on Monday, October 9th. What woke us up was the electricity went out, and I had a device that started beeping because it was off. It was a surge protector that started beeping. So that woke us up. When I came back into bed and lay there, I realized that the wind is blowing. You hear all the wind blowing. And I also heard a car or two out in the street. We had our bathroom window open, so I could hear a car outside. So I thought it's kind of unusual. So I got up and walked out the front door and looked out and smelled smoke and could see, kind of the breeze blowing down the street. But mostly it was interesting, cars. A car across the street was idling with its lights on. Another car down here idling with its lights on. So I walked down and asked them what's going on, and the woman there says, "This is bad. We have to get out." And just as I turned to walk back back up to my driveway, a police car came down the road saying, with a bullhorn going, "Time to evacuate. Everyone has to evacuate. You have to get out. You have to get out." And so, so I basically just went in the house and said, surely we have to get going. And so we got dressed real quickly and grabbed the cat, and really kind of had a feeling like, not that it was impending doom, but that we'd probably be back again later today. That we'd be back. So I grabbed my computer, but I didn't grab everything that I wish I could have grabbed. And Shirley went down the list. We had a list, right? And she's going, no, not the most important things on the list were the cat and ourselves, And that's what we did. So we went out with those and left. Now, here we are 4 days later, we've actually secured a place to live by chasing around. There's a lot of competition for homes, but what I realize is that part of what we feel at this point in time is to think, I could have just brought that. if we just stayed just for a couple minutes, if we had just stopped and thought for a minute, you know, we could have said, yeah, we probably have 5 minutes. You know, what do we need? And for instance, we went out the door with both car keys, with two car keys for one car that we couldn't take with us, that we stayed in the garage, and only one car key for the one that we did take. The other one burned up with the fire. It turned out everything was lost in the fire.
So are you with family right now?
Yeah, my one daughter's at work. My other daughter, she just got evacuated.
Everyone's safe. That's good.
Well, yeah, everybody's safe. You know, you see the people in Santa Rosa and people that lose lives, and don't get me wrong, I don't like doing stuff any more than anybody else, but at the end of the day,